Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a Fidelity brokerage account, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up a Fidelity brokerage account, start by visiting the Fidelity website. Look for the option that says Open an account on the home page. Click on that option to proceed. You will be prompted to choose the type of account you want to open. Select Brokerage account from the available options. Next, you will need to provide your personal information. This includes your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Fidelity requires this information to comply with regulatory standards. Once you've entered your personal details, create a user ID and password. Make sure your password is strong and secure. After creating your login credentials, you will be asked to provide financial information. This might include your employment status, annual income, and net worth. This information helps Fidelity understand your investment profile. Next, you will encounter the Customer Agreements section. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, proceed to check the box confirming your acceptance. Then, you will be guided to set up your funding method. You can link an existing bank account or deposit via wire transfer. Choose the method that works best for you. If you're linking a bank account, you'll need your bank's routing number and your account number. Once the funding method is selected, input the required details. After funding your account, review your information to ensure accuracy. This includes checking your personal, financial, and funding details. Once everything looks correct, submit your application. Fidelity will process your application, which may take a few moments. You will receive a confirmation email once your account is set up. After confirmation, log in to your new brokerage account. Take some time to explore the trading platform and available resources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.